You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name from Irish. This is also the name of a brand of boxing gloves, which I believe come from Ireland indeed. In Irish it's pronounced as Laoch. Laoch. Well, so you cannot say Laoch, that's not that at all. So in English you have to say Laoch. Now some say Laoch, I guess. Just say, how can you pronounce it easily in English? Well, let me know in the comments how you pronounce it. Laoch is how it's said, Laoch boxing, or say Lish, maybe Lish. It's a tricky one. Help me there. Let me know. How do you pronounce it? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.